So let's start to draw this. Here it is the location O. So this will be the right side. Here it is right side, and here it is the location O. So this will be the left side. Now on the left side the distance is of 60 mm, and out of 60 this 20 mm centrally, right, which is visible. So let's form this T shape on this plane. Since the total distance is of 60 mm, I will plot here 60 mm, and out of this 60 only 20 mm is visible, right, only 20. Now vertical, this vertical edge is of 10 mm, right. So align drafter to the vertical edge and take 10 mm distances on both the side, 10 mm, right. After this 10 mm I need to draw these two lines. Since this is of 20, the remaining is of again 20. So align drafter to the left side, and from here (20) and one more 20, right, 20, 20. Now again the vertical is of 10 mm, 10 mm slot is there. So 10 mm vertically, align drafter in this way. Now I will complete this. So up to this much it is completed. Simply T shape, right. Now what you have to do, you need to transfer this T slot till the end. See here, this T slot is extended up to 80 mm, right. So the bottom line, this bottom line, see here, this is extended up to this, right. So this is of 80 mm. So I will draw this. This is of 80 mm, right, and this edge is of 80 minus 12, right. So 80 minus 12, it will come it as 68, right. After this, here up to this point, there will be a straight line which is of 10 plus 32 means 42. So align drafter vertically. Here it is 42 mm distance, and since this edge is of 42, this inside edge is of 32 only. So here it is 32. So up to this we have completed. Now what we have to do, we need to generate this portion, right. So for that we need to generate here, since we don't know this much distance PQ, right. We know the vertical height which is of 32 mm, right. Now from this end 10 mm we have to leave. So 10 mm we will form here the points 10 mm, and after that 15 mm slot is there, 10 mm, after that 15 mm, see here 15 mm slot. So from this point I can generate the 60 line, right? 60 line, because this edge can be visible. Now it's time to draw the upper part, and for that I have to generate the center point. Here it is, 30 This one is the center point, and from that center point I will draw one vertical line which is of 32 vertical line. Simply I have drawn this 32 vertical line from center 32 and now align drafter to the left side and simply draw a line. Now on this line there should be P and Q points, this one. Since I don't know this distance, what I have to do, I need to mark here, this distance is of 60 so I will mark here 60 distance. This much is of 60 right? Now vertical is of 32 the vertical distance is of 32 so here it is 32 and from that point I will draw one parallel line. See here, this distance is of 60 and this much distance is of 32. Now from this point I need to generate 60 degree inclination. From this point I need to generate 60 degree inclination. So simply I will connect it in this way. Similarly on the other side, from this point there should be a 60 degree angle. 60 degree, inside angle is of 60. Remember, inside angle is of 60 degree. Now simply connect this so that you will get the points P and Q. So this much distance is of roughly 22 It is of 22 22. So from center I have to take 11 on both the sides. Okay. So from the center I have to take 11 on both the sides. These are the points, right? Now it is simple. So connect it, right? Now you need to connect this point with this one, and this point to the edge. Okay. Now what I have to do, I need to draw the edges, right? So for that I will align drafter to the right side. This edge is of 15 Similarly I have to draw from these 2 points. So from this point 15 and again from this point 15 and simply connect it. Okay. So up to this it is completed. Now I need to know from this point what I have to draw. See here, the inside circle is of diameter 30 So from this point I know the total this L side which is of 60 See here, 60 So from this point I will draw 60 edge. From this point 60 1 2 3 center point right? And this one is the next point. So I will draw it. Okay. This is the center point. Now, since I need to generate the inside circle, which is of diameter 30, so from center point, again remember that this total distance is of 60 mm up to this 60 mm. Center point is at 30 mm, and now here I need to generate one square, right? So for that, take 15 mm distances on both the side. From center, 15 mm to the right and 15 mm to the left. Now align drafter vertically, and from these points draw 15 mm at the lower side and 15 mm at the top side. 15 mm lower side, 15 mm top side. Now if I connect this, we will get the square, right? Now after this, we need to connect a longest diagonal, right? Longest diagonal, and from the another triangle, here two triangles are formed. From the another triangle, a corner, connect to the center point. Connect to the center point. Similarly, here the center is at 15 mm. So connect these 2 points. Now, by taking this as a center and this much distance as a radius, mark an arc. Similarly, on this side, okay, by taking this as a center and this much as a radius, mark an arc. Similarly, on this side. Okay. Now, since this circle is of 30 mm and the width, see here, width is of 12 mm, right? 12 mm. So I need to project this point 12 mm at this side. So align drafter to the right side and project this point 12 mm. So you will get somewhat here. Now the larger radius, which is of this one, I need to point out over here and simply form here one more line, because this is visible, right? Now, in the same way, this total distance is of 60 mm. See the outer circle. Outer circle, which is of radius 30, means diameter is of 60 mm. So from these 2 points, I need to form a square. Right? Align drafter vertically. So from this point, 30 mm downside and 30 mm upside. Similarly, from this point, 30 mm downside and 30 mm upside. Now if I connect this, it will form like this, right? Now I need to connect a longest diagonal. This one is of longest diagonal. Now since I need this arc and the bigger arc, and for that I will connect only this much point. If you connect up to this, then you will get here one point which will form this arc, which is not necessary. Okay. Now by taking this as a center and this much as a radius. Take this here, take this as a radius, right? And from this point I need to form an arc. Okay, arc. Now take the smallest distance like this and form an arc in this way, right? Now again I have formed this arc by using this as a center, and since I know this width is of 12 mm, I need to simply project this point 12 mm inside. So 12 mm inside, you will get here point. I need to project this. If I project, I will get over here. Now consider this as a total length, right? Put it over here, and from this point mark an arc. Right? Now next, by taking this as a center, we have formed this curve. So again project this point 12 mm inside, right? 12 mm. So here we will get 1 point. So take this as a radius, and from this point mark an arc. A smallest arc only, right? Now what we have to do, we need to generate one tangent which is parallel to R. I need to form a tangent. So if I form tangent, you will get here points in this way, right? Since I know from this point this total distance is of 32 mm, right? So if I form this edge, it will be of 60 mm. So from this point form an arc, edge which is of 60 mm. Now the vertical edge, right? Now I need to complete this edge, end edge, and for that connect this one and show this one. Okay? Now the bottom edge which is visible at this point, up to this point only. Okay? So check it out. Thank you very much.